हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपेक्षा जी के क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको टॉप 30 एमसीक्यू कराने वाली हूँ फेस्टिवल्स के ऊपर, जो कि जनवरी से मई 2025 तक के रहेंगे। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, द स्ट्रॉ लिली फेस्टिवल 2025 is celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer option B, Manipur. Question 2. The Gariyan Borso Boron Utsav 2025 inaugurated at Swami Vivekanand Maidan is associated with which state? Correct answer option B, Tripura. Question 3. Boda Tyohar locally Mago Ka Tyohar is the biggest annual festival of the Hatti community in the Transgiri region of which state? Correct answer option C, Himachal Pradesh. Question 4. The three-day Flamingo Festival 2025, 18 to 20 Jan, celebrating migratory birds took place at Pulicat Lake and Nelapattu Sanctuary in which state? Correct answer option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question 5. Gudi Padwa, the traditional new year known as Chaitra Shukla Pratipada, is primarily celebrated in which state? Correct answer option A, Maharashtra. Question 6. Nauchandi Mela, dating to the 17th century, is held every spring in which Uttar Pradesh city? Correct answer option D, Meerut. Question 7. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 will take place on the banks of Ganga and Yamuna at which confluence city? Correct answer option C, Prayagraj. Question 8. Ganga Sagar Mela, where pilgrims take a dip at the river sea confluence, is organized annually on Sagar Island in which state? Correct answer option D, West Bengal. Question 9. The Apricot Blossom Festival, April 2025, showcasing blooms in Sham Valley took place in which union territory? Correct answer option B, Ladakh. Question 10. Kalam and Kavash 2.0 Defense Literature Festival, April 2025, was hosted at the Manekshaw Center in which city? Correct answer option B, New Delhi. Question 11. Sambar Festival 2025, 24 to 28 Jan, showcasing Salt Lake ecotourism, is organized near Sambar Salt Lake in which state? Correct answer option D, Rajasthan. Question 12. Pongal, the four-day harvest festival beginning with Bhogi, is the signature celebration of which state? Correct answer option D, Tamil Nadu. Question 13. Yaoshang 5-day Spring Holi is the biggest cultural festival of which northeastern state? Correct answer option C, Manipur. Question 14. The 37th Kathak Mahotsav 2025, 21 to 26 March was organized by Kathak Kendra in which city? Correct answer option B, New Delhi. Question 15. Sarhul, celebrating the sal tree and spring, is an important tribal festival of which state? Correct answer option A, Jharkhand. Question 16. Losar, the Tibetan New Year Wood Snake Year 2025, is celebrated with masked dances in which union territory? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी लद्दाख। यहाँ पे यूनियन टेरिटरी की बात हुई है इसलिए लद्दाख आया है, अदरवाइज स्टेट की बात होती तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश ऑप्शन में आंसर होता। Question 17. Kangchingba, popularly called the Rath Yatra of Manipur, takes place annually in which city? Correct answer option D, Imphal. Question 18. Ganga Dasera, marking the descent of the Ganga, draws thousands of devotees to the Dashashwamedh Ghat of which state? Correct answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question 19. The inaugural International Pashmina Festival 2025 was hosted at Bhrikuti Mandap Exhibition Hall in which capital city? Correct answer option C, Kathmandu. Question 20. Nagoba Jatra, the second largest tribal carnival of Telangana, is celebrated in Keslapur village of which district? Correct answer option A, Adilabad. Question 21. The 4-day 10th Sci-Fi Science Film Festival of India 29 Jan to 1st Feb 2025 was organized in which city? Correct answer option B, Panji, Goa. Question 22. Thaipusam commemorating Lord Murugan's victory over Surpadman witnesses lakhs of devotees carrying kavadi at Palani in which state? Correct answer option B, Tamil Nadu. Question 23. The National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav 2025, 16 to 24 Feb was inaugurated by the President of India at which New Delhi venue? Correct answer option C, Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium. Question 24. Simulu Festival 2025, promoting ecotourism on the Brahmaputra Island Charts, was celebrated in which state? Correct answer option A, Assam. Question 25. Ali I Legang, the spring sowing festival of the Missing tribe, is primarily observed in which state? Correct answer option B, Assam. Question 26. The one-day Brahmotsavam of Rath Saptami 4 Feb 2025, featuring 7 chariot processions of Lord Mayappa Swami, is held at Tirumala in which state? Correct answer option D, Andhra Pradesh. Question 27. Kagye Cham masked dances usher in the Sikkimese New Year Losung at Tusuklakhang Palace in which state? Correct answer option C, Sikkim. Question 28. Mudve, the New Year festival of the Toda tribe, is centered on Muthnad Mund village in which district? Correct answer option A, Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu. Question 29. Pratishtha Dwadashi 2025, marking the first Pran Pratishtha anniversary of Ram Lalla, will be celebrated in which Uttar Pradesh city? Correct answer option B, Ayodhya. Question 30. Ganagai, the post-harvest Thanksgiving of the Chilangrong community begin on 12 Jan 2025 in which state? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी मणिपुर।